Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees and toes. Head, shoulders, knees. Turn around and bend.
So my people, we're still at UWI Mona campus and we're still shooting. I'm kind of bored, so I decided I'm gonna walk up and down a little bit, look around the campus, even though I look around the campus already. Yeah, but we're still shooting and I'm kind of bored. Yeah, as you guys can see, they were shooting the office scene. So and I was basically, I'm gonna go back over this. So I was basically talking to some of my friends or persons that we did shows with before. I'm gonna show you them, cause them just put on them channel a while ago, you know. So I'm gonna just shout out for your channel too. Hold on, let's see me turn back. Hold on there. I should call my mother too. I think it's after 4 now. Yeah. People, I am tired. I am so tired. And I'm ready to go home and go sleep because I did more than what I said I was going to do today. Yes. Just realized it, man. I go vlog them some lazy people, man.
No, we're the hardest workingest.
Yes, behind scene workers always.
I might face my glam up. I might face my glam up.
Your place for glam. When
Okay.
we that call,
wasn't
when
based
we
on doing that.
When we that call last year, get the trouble, get the trouble.
That's so mistake. So a big friend, a long time shut up on my camera. Some big friend, Opal.
Pace.
She supposed to do makeup people and she flapped me.
I don't flap you. If my head never hurt me no more than do it.
Next time to have more show. So make sure you do more makeup and come early, come on, make sure I'm artisting on set.
Make sure I come early.
And make sure I look better than everybody else.
Everybody, you always.
No, I want to do everybody makeup. Don't do for them on good as my own.
But said, you always, your makeup ever actually.
Make sure I don't pretend to big up my head, you know, my head bigger, you know, do that. Alright.
We don't talk what we don't see.
Alright. Come. Anyway, some long time friend here. Through them start vlogs, I'm saying I vlog something. I never vlog nothing. Some long time friend here. Yes. And him wifey. Yeah. Some friend here at drive.
Rose, man, something going through here.
So you not shout out your channel for my channel?
I revived CCTV. I revived CCTV with Charlotte.
Alright.
Check it out.
Oh,
I revived
she
TTT.
do vlogging and not me.
So just come, newbie here. Give me a touch of love, everybody. Touch of love.
Of course, I'm going to make sure I sub.
Thank you.
Right? And then want to do my girl power. Come on, there's some more girl power a long time, you know. Some fan new vlogger there. Some I forgot to do my girl power thing.
Power to the girls. Power to the
That's
girls.
right.
That's right.
So I drive act. Do you do acting too? So like how I drive is an actor, you do acting too?
I could try.
Alright, see, you know me, I recruit everybody for jumping at the thing there.
Call me.
Anytime. Alright, everybody for jumping. Of course, no problem. Them slash shoot.
How early you get up? How early you get up for the days?
Me there from last night, right back to morning. I'm not
So
sleep.
you don't sleep all night?
I don't sleep.
So when bed liquor.
No, I'm Stewie.
Found some lights. Oh, put up my camera.
Just 2 years. You know, I was by my camera that used to.
No new talk.
So-
If you Rose, no new talk, Rose, no new talk. I say, yo, Rose. She said something. And I said, you hear them say, yeah, then she said, where you at, man?
You not finish now?
No.
So where she go?
We just
Come on,
found-
take off your jacket.
They're somewhere.
So where she go?
See you, man.
Where she going? Where she going?
We found a light solution.
Oh, come just down, just jump in and say something on my video. Alright, hold on there.
No, she said, you got them? 3 ring light we use power bank. Greasy, they bring the big power bank, right?
Got the light in that one. Alright, bye bye, Stewie.
We need for no. As you need to run through with the line.
Do it.
Get up on deck.
Let's move on.
Let me see. Boom.
Alright, I'm gonna try it for Azu with
Which
the
way you
line.
go? When him come back. I'm gonna get that back. I think you might be careful. Kill you, you know, get you in a gear up
Boy.
I never like if I know this already.
And then I cut now because too much mix up in it. I'm not the money but poor. minutes of a phone.
Mommy! Mommy!
What's gone from Ghana?
Let your Freddy financial director call me with me.
They never come down to work. Hurry up. Hello my people, good morning. I already see some of the part of the vlogs already anyway, but I'm not doing Stewie, two of them have DNA somehow. Anyway, I'm at Stewie people, Stewie stew. Not gonna show you my eating breakfast, but literally work on we'll show them that we cannot get to put out because the mix up I'm saying I will tell them today. Because the editor decided that well the mirror said no come here today. He might have flu now, but before that, yes, I'll tell him the tea about that. Anyway, that him can't finish up the work because he's not what him tell me. I know I'm doing a different story because them have different talky. Anyway, that him don't feel up to it and all kind of something. But wait, there's something different about doing the house. People say I'm distracted. This different?
That's different.
Okay, come here. So wait, but the house is nice and I love this. Anyway, what am I talk about?
That's why I never open up my work yesterday. I'm gonna finish this.
They look good.
Did it myself.
I like the kettle and the cup matching everything. Anyway, so yeah, I want to sit down and relax my brain first because my brain all over the place. Is that my chair so I sit down at the back over this? Anyway, people, so him say him can't finish up the work. This is where the mix up comes from now. Him can't finish up the work because him don't feel up to it. Him have him son something to do. I'm saying I go to country, I go to country, I like him telling me once again. And he don't feel up to it and all kind of something. Then one time tell me saying head hurt him, back hurt him, keep on a feel some type of way. Alright, but before all that, let's do some flashback. Hold on. So hear the flashback now, people. Hear the flashback. So I've been working on my show that I've been telling you guys about for 3 months. I know my editor or our editor or friend for 2.5 years. I know Stuart or so. I don't know if you not see, but I know him for almost 4 years. This year I make it 4 years. Right? So I know him less than I know Stewie. Anyway, work with him for 2 years. No have no problem. No conflict with him. Me and him have no problem. And that's the reason I'm saying, alright, since like our good, I like everything about you so far. I do a bigger project. This project is literally 4 episodes. Usually I do short shows, right? Maybe 10 minutes or whatever. This one is like the biggest. Only because I know the man's capability. I trust the man completely on the project. Alright? Not a problem with him, not no woman problem. Matter of fact, the man is single. So I never have no problem at all. Woman man because the man's single. Anyway, this year now, when him starting about woman, I say October. About October in summertime was about a woman that I know of. So I say October. Alright? So October him starting about this. I know say all the 3 months in my legal 3 months in my relationship problem. October, November, December, literally now. Anyway, back to the story. So in October now, man started telling me say, yo, him connect back with him high school girl when we in love with. I said, wow, that's so nice. So them thing them hear in a show, like you don't watch a K-drama and the man and girl, you know each other from high school, but them end up break up and then them end up fall back in love because the love was like here. So I say, oh, that's a nice story. I say, yo, I talk about being romance shows and I talk about real thing. Whatever. Anyway, same start about the girl, show me the girl picture and all these things. And I say, yo, it's a nice looking girl, you know what I say? And the man are happy and a smile and I read text and the man like him in love. So my mind is like when I see people look too in love, you know, and I give them work, man, it's like, Lord God, what if the relationship don't work out? I like man and woman lovey, you know. And I say, even though I believe in love and all of that, I just don't like when people literally in love when it comes to my relationships with my shows or my friendships, because business are business no matter what. Anyway, so the man say, yo, I share the one, me feel like me have married her from a little me like her and I know say she have here some yeah, so from here so I know she have my heart and da 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 da. Me listen and say, yo, that's so nice. Anyway, like give me project, check up, make sure everything was on the hard drive, my whole show on the hard drive, everything there. Stewie mess up on the part there because some of the ending never there on the hard drive, so the whole on Stewie. Anyway, after that, come back, check again, everything good. Start for edit now, or start for layout the clips them so we can edit. Anyway, start layout, everything good. Good for our start layout. I really look 1-2 message from the girl when love now or like. And you know the man still happy. The next week pass now, let me hear the man say, hear this Rosa. So I start listening to the man. So the man say him and him woman lie down in the bed. They have a conversation. And the conversation went to a different turn. Right? He express himself. And she say, a long time I didn't like what him tell me. I was not there, I was not living in the bed with them. I tell it from what him tell me and I remember it. I remember it so good. Alright? So I'm not biased. So the man said me say, yo, hear this Rosa. I come and lie in the bed and I reason that. And she bring up another dad and start say, yo, a long time she know me not like woman. I'm a this, I'm a that, and that. So, in my essence to me, I say, yo, me know for 2.5 years, you don't seem like you know like woman to me. You seem cool, because me don't like people around me who I can vibe with. If I can vibe with you, me you're good. You understand? Some don't know about that, but I don't really know what you and her talk about lying up on the bed. Explain the story to me right about now, I remember what him tell me. So I'm not going to tell you the story because I don't remember fully. Right? I mean, I never listen to fully because it's not my business. Because I remember saying that talking about him woman's story like that day. Anyway, so that happened. Explain the story, I remember what the story is. Whatever. Then now, I think the next day, the time the story come a little bit after. Next time I tell me, say, yo, she said she want to talk to Stewie and whatever, and Stewie hear the story. And Stewie has like him no want to get involved in that. But I guess the girl must insist. I say, yo, make a friend, because your friend I want to talk different than you. I guess Stewie must agree with doing. Remember the story goes so good, because that's how I remember. So Stewie must agree with doing or whatever. And then the girl must end up this, what him tell me, the girl must end up this Stewie. Little bit after that come, Stewie come in the evening. We have a video there where Stewie come in the evening. We end up having, so we talk about the situation, end up cut the vlog. Little bit in the evening, Stewie come, then explain to me the question where the girl asks and him and doing and whatever. I mean I say, but I don't call for everybody I call me name and yada yada. That's all I call is a simple question. Agree or this or don't agree. You know, scenario. Anyway, hear the story, not a big deal to me because people disagree, man and woman disagree all the time and what not. And I just like one time if you and your man have a problem, you draw in your friends them. Or your woman draw in your friend them so that way your friend have to feel a little type of way, like if she insult your friend or say your friend is like you or whatever. Once again, everybody different. You understand? Anyway, so then it started happen. She draw in Stewie all the bad feelings towards nothing what happen. Look bit after that now. I guess me the go home left Stewie and into them. You know them talk when we go home, but you know Stewie to the all come watch me editing. Me and doing the edit. After that, people, every minute the man I look on the woman text. The man I check up on the woman and say, yo, I should help her, me help her. Her father dead or this or that. Yeah. I'm just like him start get very, what should I say it? I'm not saying he get obsessed. But at every conversation, he bring up back about the woman. If I talk about say, yo, the girl they look good or whatever. I saw the found woman want to look good for catch the man. I want to catch the man, don't want to keep the man. No matter what I got, but if I talk about shoes, I want to buy the shoes to catch the man.
So people, I didn't get to finish make my speech because the camera shut off on me when I was recording. I was recording this whole speech and it shut off. So this is what you guys gonna get. I might do a part 2.